Welcome to my video on how to start an affiliate marketing business, where we're going to talk about not only affiliate marketing in general and why it's a good business model, but also how to set yourself up for success and a particular methodology that we think can get you started right away. Okay, let's go. Depending on where you are in your journey, you might be feeling like this, or maybe like this, or even overwhelmed and feeling like this. The goal is to get you excited and feeling more like this. So stick around to learn what affiliate marketing is and why it might be right for you. Also, how to set yourself up for success as an affiliate marketer and where to start so you can avoid frustration and overwhelm. Okay, I don't want to assume that you know what affiliate marketing is. So let's talk a little bit about what it is and why you would want to get involved in it. First, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. From anywhere and even when you sleep. At least that's the idea, of course. Affiliate marketing is simply the process by which an affiliate, which is you or me, earns a commission for marketing another person's or another company's products. You basically just find a product that you enjoy and would like to promote, and then you promote that product and earn a piece of the profit from each sale that is made. The sales are tracked via an affiliate link. It's this affiliate link that tracks you getting paid. Almost every product is sold via affiliates these days, so you can sign up, get an affiliate link, and basically begin earning an income. This is truly a win-win for both parties. The question is, why would someone do this? And there's several reasons, but the ones that come to mind for me are, number one, you don't need a product or a service that you have to support, and that's a big deal. Trust me, we tried selling products initially in our business and failed miserably because we couldn't provide the back-end support. And with affiliate marketing, you don't have to. Someone else does that. Also, it's scalable, meaning you can grow the business as big as you want, depending on the amount of time and effort and energy you want to put behind it. And also it offers a great deal of flexibility. I got into it and left my corporate executive job so I would have the flexibility of working from anywhere and traveling around the world with my wife. Your situation, obviously, what you consider to be flexibility could just simply be working when you want to work instead of when you have to work. Also, there are opportunities to create recurring income through various affiliates. Okay, we've talked about what affiliate marketing is and why you'd want to get involved in it. But now let's talk about how to set yourself up for success as an affiliate marketer. So let's start by talking about the foundation. I hope you can see this slide. It's not very clear. I got it from Aaron Fletcher of the Fletcher Method, but I love what it represents. It tells a story of a lot of people that are trying to make it as an affiliate marketer. They're overwhelmed with information and technology. There are so many gurus out there, they don't know who to trust, and they don't have a clear pathway. They're trying to get from point A to point B in the shortest amount of time possible. They need a roadmap, a clear and concise pathway to get them from where they are to where they want to be. Basically, there are three essential ingredients that everyone needs to have success, whether it's life, business, relationships, anything. And here it is. They need motivation or commitment. They need a roadmap, like I mentioned, and they need a support system. Okay, let's start with the first one, motivation. I don't want to go too deep on this topic of motivation, but it is important. I suggest that you take some time thinking very hard about your why. Why do you want to be successful at affiliate marketing? Figure out what your goals are. What's motivating you? Write them down. Go over them every week, every month, every quarter. Make adjustments as necessary. But you're going to need these to fight through the challenges that ultimately you're going to face. The bottom line is, if you're serious enough about these goals, you'll be successful. That's because you'll be able to fight through the resistance when it comes. And you won't quit like 95% of the people do. Okay, here's the roadmap that every small business needs to follow. There's 3 phases. There's planning, optimize, and scaling the business. We're going to talk for a second about planning. This planning phase allows you to build a solid foundation first, and that is knowing who your customer is and being very clear on that and what problem you're trying to solve for them. Also, you need to have a very clear message. We have this little messaging outline that we like to use to help us with this process. It's simple, but it's effective. Basically, I help whoever your target customer is achieve or do whatever their primary goal is without what's their biggest problem so they can whatever their why is. Here's an example of how that works for us. I help affiliate marketers grow their income online without being overwhelmed and confused so they can realize their goals and dreams. You don't have to spend a ton of time on this, but the more time you spend, the clearer it's going to be as to who your customer is and what problems that you're trying to solve. And out of that, you'll find your voice in terms of how you communicate with them. The last part of building that foundation is developing a clearly defined product offer. In the case of affiliate marketing, the question is, what are you going to sell and why? Determining what product you're going to sell usually starts out with looking at different niches or niche marketing. And basically that's just a focus on smaller segments of the market that could be divided in any number of ways, including by budget, demographics, geography, even the client interest or preferences. It's a place where you feel you can add value or you have a particular interest. Some people call it vertical marketing. Any broad niche is going to have smaller sub-niches or even tiny micro-niches. For example, a broad healthcare niche comprises fitness, weight loss, hair care, skin care, etc. But if you can choose skin home remedies for women under 40, it is already a micro niche. The question might be, well, why would I get that narrow? And the reason for that is the closer you get to your target audience's needs, the higher the conversion rate. So a broad niche is going to have a low conversion rate, and the more specific you get down to micro niches, you're going to have a much, much higher conversion rate. Here's a list of the top affiliate marketing niches for this year, 2022. One more thing about the product that you offer. Do you want to sell high ticket or do you want to sell low ticket? And I'll show you what I mean. The hardest thing you're going to do is get someone to buy something. The only thing harder is to get a lot of people to buy something. I know this seems obvious, but why not get them to buy something where you make more commission versus less commission? I want to be this guy on the right side of the equation. And the best way to do that is to limit how much commission you'll actually make on a given product. I would put that floor at $100 at least. Otherwise, you run the risk of working a lot harder than you have to. Hey, thanks for hanging in there with me. We're coming down the home stretch now. We've talked about affiliate marketing and why you want to get involved in affiliate marketing and what it is. We've talked about how to set yourself up to have success as an affiliate marketer. In other words, building a strong foundation. Now we're going to talk about where to start and what I recommend you do to get going and build revenue. Okay? Let's go. Okay, where do you start to avoid frustration and being overwhelmed? I'm sure you've watched plenty of videos telling you all kinds of places that you can go and get products you can sell. I think 80% of businesses are selling their products through affiliates. Depending on the amount of money you want to make, that may be the route to go. Doing e-commerce, selling Amazon, whatever, Walmart. Here's a list of just a few of the options here. There was one other piece that we haven't talked about, and that was the support system. Who's going to support your efforts? Who's going to lead you on that journey? If everything was as easy as everyone says it is, there wouldn't be 99% failure rate on affiliate marketing. We would have been one of those casualties had we not figured something out before it was too late. We found something special. Here's what happened to us as we were floundering, trying to figure out how to make it as affiliate marketers. We found a product that paid a high commission, that had tons of opportunity, and a conversion rate of over 50%. It had been proven over many years, and it's basically a system for ranking your videos on Google. And what comes with that system is also one of the best lead magnets I've ever seen for building your list. And it comes in both, your funnel comes in both Kartra and Groove. There's a step-by-step instructional guide, basically a 21-day challenge where you can go along with hundreds of other people at the same time, completing step-by-step of how to not only create these videos, but get them ranking on Google. And the best part is you don't have to be in the video for this to work. But there's also a Facebook support group. There's weekly calls, Q&A, that you can ask whatever questions if you're running into hurdles or anything like that. And I'll provide all of the details down below in a link if you want to look into that a little more. But for us, it was critical that we found something that we could sort of get the level that was not only a great product and not only pay a good commission, but would allow us to have success ongoing, because everything we learned in this program allows us to get our videos ranked on products that we sell in the future, regardless of what they are. So it really doesn't even matter what the product is. The product is Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube Success Academy, and the details are below. Regardless of what you decide to do in affiliate marketing, I hope that the information I provided for you today was helpful in getting you started. I know it's not the easiest thing to have success in this space, but hopefully some of the information that I've provided will assist you in generating revenue and continuing to do that into the future. If you did like the video, though, I'd appreciate if you could subscribe or make any comments below on success models that you found in your own journey. That would be helpful to not only me, but to others. So please feel free to provide that information if you can. And then look for the next video where we're going to talk about how you can rank videos in Google and some of the methods that we use. And you'll want to apply these to uploading your own when you upload your own videos in the future.